Hello besties, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Moi Moi Elewe, which is Moi Moi in leaf. By the way, Moi Moi is bean putty or bean cake. So I have some washed beans and pepper mix. For my pepper mix, I'm using some Tatashe, which is red bell pepper, and some long chili, which is shombo, and some onion. So I add them in batches in my blender, hot water, and blend them until they are very smooth. I'll drop the list of all ingredients in the description below. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I post a new video. After blending my beans, this is the consistency. You don't want it too running or too thick, but this is a perfect consistency. So I'll be adding in some fish broth and some salt. I prepared some fish earlier and that is the broth. I'll mix everything together and add in some seasoning cubes and mix everything together. I'll be adding in the fish I prepared earlier. So I deboned all the fish and I'll add in to the moi moi mixture. I'll stir everything in and then I will add in some palm oil. You can also use vegetable oil, but I love palm oil in my moi moi and that's what I'll be using. So this is my washed moi moi leaf. I washed them thoroughly and then this are the stem. I'll add it to the pot and add in a little water. Then I'll be adding in some of the moi moi leaf to prevent water from getting into the moi moi. So to wrap our moi moi, I will take one leaf. You can also use two, but my leaves are big and then I'll be using one. You roll it into a cone and then you um, fold the down part to secure the cone. Then go ahead and add in your moi moi paste inside the leaf. Then you press in the two side of the leaf, like you turkey it in, then you fold the remaining part backward just to secure the moi moi from spilling. And then you put it in the pot gently and continue this process. You pick a leaf, roll it into a cone, gently roll it into a cone. If you pay more attention to this, you're going to get it. Then press the bottom part backwards to secure the cone. Then you add in your moi moi paste. You don't want to add too much moi moi paste so it doesn't start pouring out. Just add in enough. Tucking in both sides of the leaf and fold the remaining part backwards to secure the moi moi from spilling. You can also use two leaves, just as I said. So I'm using two leaves here to show you how to wrap the two leaf. You place the smaller leaf on the bigger one, then you roll it into a cone just like I did before. Roll it into a cone. Then you press the down part backward. You fold it backward to secure the cone. When you see that, open your leaf and add in your moi moi batter. You use the smaller leaf to secure the moi moi in. You press it down just to secure the batter. Then you fold in the remaining leaves. And you see that? So beautiful. So that is it. Just continue the process until you exhaust the batter. So I'm done wrapping and I'll cover it and allow to steam for about 40 minutes. It should be ready. So my moi moi is ready at this point and it smells really good. So I'll be opening one to show you the outcome of the moi moi. Can you see that? Looks really good. Very fluffy. It's very fluffy. Soft, fluffy, and very delicious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next